Welcome to Lego Academy. Now in this video we are going to handle a question under physics, and here the statement says a car starts from rest, accelerates uniformly at 3 meters per second squared for 8 seconds. So here we've been given the acceleration, which is 3 meters per second squared, and the time, this is 8 seconds. Now, the first question here says, what is the final velocity? So to calculate for the final velocity, so for this one, if we collect the data for number A, so in the statement here we've been given the acceleration, which is 3 meters per second squared, and also the time, which is 8 seconds. Now, when they say a car starts from rest, meaning the initial velocity, that is 0 meters per second. How can we find the final velocity, which is being represented by v? So this is the formula that we are going to apply. V is equal to u plus at, where this v is the final velocity, u, this is the initial, a is the acceleration, and t, this is the time. Our initial, this is a 0, plus, so we have acceleration, which is 3, multiplied by the time, which is 8. So this is 0 plus 3 multiplied by 8, this is 24. So 0 plus 24, this is 24, and the SI unit for velocity, this is meter per second. So this is how we calculate the final velocity when given acceleration and also the time. Now the last question here says, find the distance. So for number B, so to find the distance, with the data that we have here, we can apply this formula. S, representing distance or displacement, is equal to ut plus half at squared. So this is the equation that we are going to apply to find the distance. Now this is, as I said, this is the distance, is equal to initial velocity, this is a 0, so here we have 0 multiplied by our time, this is 8. We are still using the same data, plus, so here we have half multiplied by our a acceleration, this is 3, multiplied by t, which is the time, this is 8 seconds. Now here t is raised to the power 2, so even this 8 we are going to put the power of 2 there. So 0 multiplied by 8, this is a 0, plus half multiplied by 3, this is 1.5, multiplied by 8 to the power 2 is the same as 8 times 8, which is 64. So 1.5 multiplied by 64, this is 96. 0 plus 96, this is 96. And the SI unit for the distance, this is meters. So this is how we calculate for the distance when given the initial velocity, time, or acceleration.